What's up, guys? It's Beast Destroyer back again, and basically, today's Sunday. So 2 days ago, Friday. Oh, that's true. So 2 days ago, basically, we went to dairy farm because our school actually subsidized us, and not subsidized, but he sponsored us to go to dairy farm, nature reserve park, and then basically went there upslope and upslope. It's so damn tiring, but basically I only took a few clips, but we basically didn't go there to have fun. We went there for a geography investigation log. So basically what you see here, so basically we have to like draw and sketch out. Oh yeah, by the way, look at my face. Can you see my face properly? My face is like so damn red because yesterday me and my father went to play basketball 11 to 10:30 to 4:30. So oh wait, no, 11:30 to 4:30. So basically I got sunburn. But can you see my? But basically it was much better than yesterday. And also you can see my eyes here are like white. Can you see properly? I see my nose. My nose is. So basically I get sunburn, and we are going out now to buy lunch and to buy aloe vera sunburn lotion. So yeah. Oh, but back to this video. So basically we went for geographical investigation. We have to do a log thingy, and basically yeah, I came back from that, and those are the video clips and also a mini slideshow at the back for you guys. So yeah, see you guys next time. And by the way, the slideshow, only the slideshow will have music because there is like cricket noises and stuff. So basically it feels like you people who are watching is like experiencing the same thing. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Yeah, but yeah, bye guys.
West Side.
Just roughly give an estimate. I don't even know how count.
We are now live. Okay, now for the monitor, let's go. Animal this.
Oh, I can't get the monitor lizard.
We are now on the lizard habitat.
Take video lah.
I'm taking video.
Okay, come.
How Ray Hong TV.
Boys, let's go. You'll see more of the monitor lizard. Okay, teacher. Teacher, he take me videos, yeah.
I take photo lah, boy.
Okay.
Don't you know that? Why don't I want to take a video about you, Ray Hong TV, got 0 subscribers and 0 videos. It's not like I'm flaunting my 7 subscribers, but at least I got more subscribers than you.
Papa ni stop plugging lah. I go buy my group. There.
Your group is not here. Oh my god. You copy me.
Baba ni?
Look at the freaking Japanese. Oh my god.
Kaki tak ada.
You cannot plug lah. This is nature, okay? Oh my god, sir.
Holy shit! I walked into mud. I walked into
Mine
that
the
mud.
language ah, boy ah. Is it right here?
You too, mate.
Mine, you can do it. Oh my god, everybody.
We are now entering the whole of Doom, which apparently gives you. It gets your virginity. No, just kidding. That's the wrong thing. Finally, it's just rocky roads, bro. Alternate path. Why are you here?
Oh my god, what is this?
So guys, we are now in Dairy Farm Nature Reserve. GI investigation log.
Enough. See, first video I give you
Now,
the
please
second.
help. Hello.
Okay, that's enough. Guys,
Yeah, I
guys,
haven't
guys.
taken.
1 3. But I cannot take out the bus food. Okay, so again, look at these leaves over here.
So why you plug the pans?
No. Okay, first of all, I didn't plug it. Hello. What's going on? I'm thinking.
Oh my god, let us go home. You can Oh, you can go inside.
Holy shit, I'm falling behind.
Amen.
Okay, once you're done, let's move. No.
I found a fruit.
Dylan, you're the first to leave, remember?
Oh.
Are you Dylan's team?
No.
Yes. Okay, Dylan, go.
I didn't ask you to thank me.
Keep to the left. What?
Thank you. Oh, let's go down.
Recycle.
Is that a bullet end?
Is this it? Is it bullet end?
One,
You
three,
almost
one,
stepped
three.
on it.